All right, more gift ideas for like 6-ish-year-old kids. This is just awesome. We gave these out before, but I just want to share with you. The Grow and Glow Terrarium. It's got everything you need, but it's definitely something 6-year-old attention span, maybe 5-ish can deal with, and even 4. But you got to have a parent there, guardian, somebody like open it up and can help them kind of do it themselves. So let me show you what's in it. All these goodies. And you got to put them together. And even got stickers, glow-in-the-dark stickers that go with it, little figurines that go in there. Put little wheat grass seeds, chia seeds in there. Stuff is going to grow, go crazy. Just kind of a fun thing for kids. And again, just too much fun. But again, going to need some parent help and supervision. And I think it's good for ages like 4, 5, and 6-ish. And then as they get older, they want to go do it by themselves, even better. Great little gift idea brought to you by this brand here. And I highly recommend it.